Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create poll on your Instagram stories. It's really easy and simple. So without any delay, let's start the video, and all you have to do is follow my steps. Go to your Instagram ID and create a story. I'm going to create this one, and next. And next, all you have to do is select the sticker option here. You can see the option poll here. Select this one. Ask any question. I'm just going to type my question here. Create your option, yes or no, or any other option that you like to put here. I'm going to put these three options here and click done, and select next and select share. Your poll has been shared on your stories. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. See you on next one.